how to set correct answer in Google Forms. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to put or select the correct answer for the Google Forms that you are making. For example, right now on our screen, I have created a very simple question. What is 10 plus 10? Now obviously the answer is 20, but how do we specify or tell Google Forms that this is the correct answer? It's very simple. Simply look over here on the bottom left, you will see answer key. Simply select that. And when you select that, you can simply select the correct answer that you want and put the allocated points for the specific answer. For example, 10 points for that one question. Click on done. And now you will see a check mark over here indicating that that is the correct answer. And that's basically how you will be able to set the correct answer for your Google Forms. You could do this for multiple types of test types, as you can see here, from multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop down. It won't work for, or rather, it will work for short answer and paragraph, but setting that up is a bit more complicated. So that's basically it now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.